Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study IGCSE Computer Science. First, familiarize yourself with the syllabus, which is divided into two main papers. Paper 1 focuses on theoretical concepts, covering topics like data representation and networks. Paper 2 is practical, testing your programming abilities, often using a language like Python. A balanced approach, dedicating roughly 50% of your study time to each paper, is crucial for success. For the theory paper, begin by dissecting the syllabus into smaller, digestible units. Focus on understanding core definitions and principles, creating concise notes or flashcards. Active recall, through self-quizzing, is highly effective. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reviewing these theoretical concepts. Practicing past paper questions will help you recognize recurring question types and improve your time management during the exam. To excel in the practical paper, consistent coding practice is paramount. Choose a language like Python and dedicate at least 1 hour daily to writing and debugging programs. Work through diverse problem sets, from simple input/output to more complex algorithms. Understanding how to identify and correct errors in your code, known as debugging, is a vital skill. Aim to complete at least 20 different programming challenges each week. As you approach the exam, focus on comprehensive revision. Complete full past papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps improve speed and accuracy. Pinpoint your weaker areas and allocate additional study time to strengthen them. Discussing difficult concepts with classmates can offer new perspectives. Remember to take regular breaks. A well-rested mind performs significantly better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.